Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much. So this is the high priority application. As I mentioned previously that they claim that whenever so as VeloCloud claim that they have some special kind of uh, contact with those SASE providers. So DMPO we already discussed that how it's enhanced and for the link one. And one other thing that your NAT information also keep by the gateway. As I previously mentioned that you are getting IP from DHCP, so definitely your public IP will be different. So that information also captured by the gateway, that which actual IP you are using. So here you can see the high priority SaaS application with service chain NSP. So here we choose the uh, closest gateway which is nearby to service provider, right? Because service provider also have existence on the all over the world. So this your automatically it will choose, right? Here we can see the edge to edge VPN. So your edge to edge VPN from device to device communication, it is happening via internet, and a gateway is performing the role, and your policy is controlled by the orchestrator. So your auto assigned gateway will be responsible to providing this kind of routing, and you can see the traffic is decrypted in gateway and then re-encrypted to the destination. So it also perform this kind of security. So I was showing you that how it choose the nearest gateway. So I will
Sachin,
show
so
you.
is it possible to select choose the gateway
No,
manually?
no, not possible.
Because if you are facing issue with some gateway, so there's no option.
Correct question. Like, sorry, one more. I will log in. If you are facing the issue with the gateway, then definitely there is a 2-3 gateway available automatically.
But there is no option to select manually, right?
No, no, no. But they will automatically judge, right? Because if you are facing the issue with the gateway, so another gateway is there. Because see, this is two things. If your link is having problem, so definitely
Mm-hmm.
it will have a problem to the gateway 1 and gateway 2, gateway 3, to all of them, right? And if their gateway is having problem, so definitely they may be the shutdown, or maybe they may be the shift the traffic to the another gateway for all customers, because one customer is already connected with multiple gateway. I will show you. I will show you. What is this? Okay, VC is up. Sorry guys, actually there is some disturbance. Okay, so here you can see it's on-prem. So on-prem we have different setup, but I have kept one of the snapshot for you uh, for production environment, where you can see that one device is connected with multiple gateway. Here you can see that is a production environment. Here you can click on the monitoring part of the edge, and simply you can click, and you can see that this is the secondary gateway, this is the super gateway, this is the primary gateway, and some super alternate super gateways too. Super gateway, then alternate super gateway. So there is a concept of primary, secondary, and super gateway. tomorrow maybe we'll cover with the uh, design, or maybe via MS Paint I will show you that why they have designed this way, that super gateway, primary gateway. So every device is connected with 6 to 7 gateways. So there is very low possibility, 0.001%, then you will lose your routing information, because these for example, the Singapore is down, so another one may be up, so you will get a, definitely the backup is already there, and even you can also see the IP address. But here there is no option that you can manually choose. How it choose? You can see the customer edge site 30 VC01, location Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So whenever you configure any of the edge, it asks the address. Even if you don't know the address, there may be possibility that your plant is location in, you can say, the forest area, and where there is no village nearby and no town. So how you can fill the address? So there is an option, you can put the exact latitude and longitude when you are configuring your edges. So whenever the RMA is performed, device will automatically reach to that latitude and longitude. So it automatically connect according to your pin code, your address, to the nearest gateway. That's how it's work. Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.